All right, this is Operation Lightning. What? It's turn 7, right? Turn 7. The can I hit text live over? I actually can't. I don't like the I don't like the the one thing on Discord. All right, here we go. Watch the power of my live tech rolls. Look at that. I'm just good live. I'm just good like that. We hit. You just gotta do it live. See, Warden? Easy peasy. That's why I don't like the Discord. This is my buy: 2 Marines, 2 militia upgrades, finishing the aircraft carrier, which puts America to 17. And puts me down to 0. And then for combat, every plane except... Actually, this fighter's not coming. This fighter's going away. But all these 5 planes are coming. And then... And the 41st, and I have the 41st battle set up right here. And that's literally it for combat, sadly. Not at war with people just yet. And that's what we're gonna do. All right, Warrior, we're here for it. So let's get it. Let's get a party started. Let's do artillery. You ready? I don't even know. You can. Hello. I'm assuming Warden's here. He just went mute on me. Scared of the. I don't know. Anyway, here we go. First strike. In my dreams, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 at 2. I see 1. I have 5 at 1. I see none. And then I have my planes, which I haven't figured out yet. It's 3 tacks. There we go. Oh, well, 2 target selects, but yeah. 3 hits total. All right, let's see it. Oh, unless you want me to roll for it. I don't know. Yes, baby! Alright, now they dodge the 4s. The 4s have been hating on me. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's something. Well, we take 4 infantry. I'll delete 4 infantry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that above average for you? It's about average. A little above it. I don't know. You can take your AA. No, you can't. Yeah, you can take an AA over the militia. Or you could choose not to. Alright, next round. I guess all these dice are correct, so I'm just gonna roll them all. Here goes nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 hits. I'm telling you, the 4s this game, everywhere. Disgusting. Disgusting. You know what? When I lose this game, I just want you to know I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad. How much is left? 2? Or what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Alright. I get it. Alright, accordingly, and then there you go. Okay. Yeah. Alright, thanks for stopping by, Warden. Just ruining Axe's hope. It's okay. It's okay. Shit, all the 4s known to mankind, just like Paris. It doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. Say. Alright, well, time to figure out outcome. 1, 2, 3, 4. This comes here. Need to join the 97th. 2. No, it's gonna just stay. It's 3 transports. And then that one. Can bring him along. Yeah, that'll just come down here. To 97th. The ships, I mean the destroyers will go here. And I think it's probably a good spot in this. It's probably fine. Okay. Planes will just go. Where is the big carrier? Big carrier will just go here. Alright. I think that's it. I was gonna pause, but I actually don't even think I need to. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We'll end it there. Gotta place and collect. So militia upgrade. So upgrade there, upgrade here. And then all this.
Get my tanks yet.
Turn 7, right? Or is that turn 8? I thought it was turn 6 or 7. In that case, we'll buy a cav and save 3, I guess.
Sorry, I didn't notice.
1, 2, 3. Huh. Yeah, I'll just save 3 then. And go to collect. 32 plus 38, 41, and that's it.